Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video, we will see the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So before I start with the analysis, let's see what happened in the market today. How did we trade today and what kind of levels I was looking based on yesterday's analysis. What trades did I take, mostly based on the price action which I have shared in yesterday's video. So if you refer to the yesterday's video, you can easily see this was the zone which I have mentioned. So 43,700 and below levels was something which I mentioned that today if market opens above this levels, so then we have to wait for another candle closing above 43,800 levels. So as you can see, like when market opened today at around, you can say this one here, 9:30, so almost around 43,700. So the opening was almost slightly bullish, you can say like 0.23%. That was the thing, and market was able to immediately take a support above 740 around 10:45, and then after that you can see the move. So the major move was after this, after 10:45. You can see here, we cannot see even a red candle here in this formation. And then when it came to this level, that is 43,800 support zone. So if you remember, 43,800 was a major resistance from almost, I mentioned, from last week. So this was a major resistance and market was facing, Bank Nifty was facing a kind of hurdle at this level. But today, if you notice that around 1 p.m. when market touched this levels, and you could see the volumes we got. So at this levels, the market almost, the Bank Nifty almost took a very good amount support at this level. And if you see, the HDFC Bank was performing very well, and after that obviously all other banks also took the pace and helped Bank Nifty to move up. So as you can see here, after 130 it took a support at 800 level, which was a major resistance for Bank Nifty, and then it started moving upward. So anybody who haven't traded till this level or don't have any overnight position, for them it was a very good opportunity to enter any trade at this time. The trade which I took was like, I had overnight position and I almost booked all my overnight position almost at this point, because of the thing that today's Nifty expiry volatility could be high and I'm already in very good profits at this level, and I waited for any new trades from the market. One more thing to notice is the expiry, which was uh, supposed to be on 29th, has been shifted to 28th, that is tomorrow, and which lead to a great decay in overnight premiums. So there was nothing, no premiums left in my overnight position, so I almost booked the premium profits over here, and after that I waited for a good signal. But after this, the market was such moved in such a high speed that it was not at all like, if you are an option buyer, definitely it's a very good opportunity to take a trade at this level, 43,800 level, because it was a major resistance for Bank Nifty, and after that it became a support, and then you can see the kind of move it has given. So as an option buyer, definitely it's a very good trade. Now, if we talk about tomorrow's level, so tomorrow, if we see what happens tomorrow, is that tomorrow market is like, see, this is the level which I have marked. So if you can, this is the 43 200 level. It is on 15 minutes time frame. So if you see, this is also a resistance for Bank Nifty, where Bank Nifty has several times tried to cross over this level, but it has not been. So tomorrow, if after opening we get an opening above this level, then definitely we have to see whether it sustains above this level before entering any intraday trades. Otherwise, the thing is that we can take this as a major resistance and trade from this level if we get good premiums. Again, as an option seller, you have to see for the premiums if it's worthy taking in the expiry day. Otherwise, as an option buyer, as we got an opportunity at this level, 43,800, definitely tomorrow, if it crosses 43,200 level, so as a buyer, option buyer, you get an opportunity there, taking a small stop loss. So always try to trade in the 1:2 or 1:3 should be your risk to reward, so that you can try to do. Don't be under the impression of getting unlimited kind of profits. You should have some target for the profit as well. So these are the levels for the bank nifty, like 43, 44, 200 I will see. And the downside, definitely 43,800 has now become a support for bank nifty. Until and unless bank nifty, we get a gap down in bank nifty for tomorrow and it goes below this level, until that I think this is a good support and you can trade based on this. So this is the level for bank nifty. Now I'll share the levels for Nifty. So this is the Nifty chart in the 15 minutes time frame. So let's see how Nifty can do for tomorrow. So if we see today's chart, you can easily see here the kind of performance Nifty has given. Nifty is also bullish today. So after the closing, we got a Nifty opening at around 18,700 levels here, and after crossing 740, 750 levels here, I mentioned this level also yesterday. If you remember, you can refer the video yesterday's at 750 level. Above that, Nifty also took a good upward movement here, and after that it didn't reverse from this direction, and it was easily able to cross 17,800 level, which was again a resistance for Nifty for a long time. You can see here the levels here. If you see, that was a resistance for Nifty, but if you see here, it has faced a major resistance at 18,850 levels. So for tomorrow, 18,850 will act as a hurdle or kind of resistance. So if Nifty opens almost flat for tomorrow's expiry, then 18,850 is something which we will target as the resistance. So if it doesn't go beyond that, you can take this as a resistance and short from that level. But again, I would say if you're an option buyer, definitely at 18, like today, after 18,700 Nifty cross, there is a good opportunity as a buyer. Taking a small stop loss here, you could have traded at this level. But for tomorrow, as an option seller, as I always mention, the premiums are very important. So looking at those premiums, you can trade, but on the basis of the price action and the support and resistance. This is what I am expecting for Nifty for tomorrow, and this will be the level. So on the downside, as I always mention, Nifty is trading in a very closed zones. The kind of like levels in bank nifty is quite volatile, but Nifty is in a closed zone. But once Nifty crosses 18,850 levels, definitely we could see some kind of hurdle. As you can see from this level, it has almost bounced downside. So 18,870 will something again be a major hurdle for Nifty. So looking this at this, you can easily trade in Nifty at this levels. And as I always say, you should have a defined stop loss and risk management in place whenever you take any trade. So that's it for today, what I wanted to share for bank nifty and Nifty. Hope you like the video. If you like, please do subscribe to the channel and please hit the like button. Thank you everyone.